her best things. Not me being born.
Is it thrown up?
Goldie, are you here tonight?
Babe. Has you thrown rocks? Is it thrown up?
Goldie, can you throw a small rock at us?
Boulder just launched down here.
See Boulder come out of there.
Watch it come down, smack me in the head.
Turn it up a little bit.
So yeah, I would hear it.
Good bit.
She's found.
It's too loud. Tell me if this gets too annoying.
How many people are here?
10?
I heard 10, yeah.
Are you dead or alive? Dead. Who's here with us? Is that Thomas? Ron?
Yeah. Every now and again, George. I was hearing him up there too.
That was a whole sentence that should be here. Throw a rock. Did you throw a rock? Is that the I love you lady? There's a lady on here that always says I love you. Can you say I love you?
Quiet lady. Oh, what is that? Can someone throw a rock?
Do you have the still above the tunnel? They used to have stills up there in the 1920s.
Yeah. That flashlight is good as all get out.
Can you say one of our names? I'm Jeanette. Can you say hello, Jeanette?
Jeanette.
What's your name?
Amanda.
Can you say Amanda?
Amanda. Yep, there it is.
So are you here with us? Can you move closer to that so it lights up?
Might have been the phone.
Move a little closer to this and it'll light up. It won't do it for me, but it'll do it for you.
Yeah, it's like it wants to light up, but then it don't. Show us your hair.
You hear a lady on there, she sounds like she's crying or weeping. That's the I love you lady. Are you dead? I said, don't ask me that.
Can you say Maya?
Did they say that?
Yeah, also. Almost saying. How long did you live here?
Can you answer her loudly? Knock, knock. Can you say who's there?
Can you say who's there?
Olive, do you like my joke? I always do the same jokes. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Oh, I did say that.
Be nice or go away. You being sassy. Can you tell me who you are?
Get out.
Did it really say that?
That's what I heard.
You guys are sassy on this side of the tunnel. Who is this? Do you want us to leave?
I heard one say Kate.
I heard Kate saying that
Did you just tell us to get out? Not yet.
Can you say Caitlin again? Or Kate?
No, say it. I thought it did too. There we go. Caitlin.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Like me, what do I do?
Can you say hello, Caitlin, again?
I really don't watch a whole lot of this. That's why we were just watching it earlier.
Say what?
Something fell. You didn't see me. You see me at the crowd, like.
So do you like it when it rains out here at night? Can you show yourself to us? Can you touch the top of someone's head?
Catch me. What? No.
Show
I'll
us
play
who you
tag.
are.
Is that Sammy? Sammy, do you want to play tag?
That was good. Where are you? Are you playing hide and seek?
Sammy, you're it.
Come tag one of us.
Hi, Sammy. All right, you're it.
You touch one of us.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you like playing with us?
Yeah.
Thank you for coming close. It's really cold over here. Can you feel that? You looking for your mom?
What do you do for fun?
How old are you, Sammy? 10?
That's what he said.
Were you playing on the railroad tracks, Sammy?
Must be right here. Are you right in the center of us? Can I go tag your it? Mom. Oops. Did you just run away?
I'll find you.
You singing? You hear me singing there?
Bob, I guess. Hi, Bob.
I keep hearing Ronald. Like Ronald.
Franklin.
Can you move up closer to us so that this goes off?
You can come over here.
What's your name?
Derek.
Derek. Can you say hello to Derek? There you go. It's a girl too. Is there anybody else here with us? If you can say hi, we know you're here. They all went to sleep?
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.